Alright, son. Anything you want, the store is yours.
Why, anything but the magic typewriter.
Who are you?
Why, I'm the owner of this store.
Alright, son. What do you want? We'll have one typewriter, please.
Fuck!
Come on, guys, let's cut off his fingers and suck his dick!
Yeah!
I want the bullies to go away. Did it!
Hey, what a loser, let's fuck him! Oh.
Son, what happened?
Bruises on my asshole and worse. Jason Maxwell's my bully at school. He calls me a sex toy.
I wouldn't know about bruised assholes. My dick is only 2 inches big. I'm gonna go have a word with his father.
Oh god, it's you two. What did you do?
I made the bullies go away.
What the hell are you doing in my house? Get in. See, this is what I'm talking about. Your son beating up my son? We can't live like this.
You have the typewriter.
Yes, but my son is retarded.
Use the typewriter.
Fine. I will. I've done it!
Have you seen Jason? Well played. You killed my son. Guess I'll have to go rape another 3-year-old so I can get another one.